45. Why is water important? In adults, water makes up 60% of body weight. They perform many important functions. In general, for men, it should be about 3 liters, while women are 2 liters. Depending on age and physiological and pathological needs, it is possible to increase or decrease the amount of water. And don't be rigid about drinking 2 to 3 liters of water per day, because water is also taken from the food you eat. Many people drink little water, but still ensure enough water intake, because they have a varied diet with many foods containing abundant water. 46. Water helps the body function optimally. If we do not drink enough water, our body health will be affected. This is especially important if you exercise a lot or are in a hot environment. Dehydration from 2% of body water can have a dramatic effect. However, in athletes, it is not uncommon to lose 6 to 10% of water through sweat. Dehydration causes the body to change its temperature regulation. You also feel less motivated, increased fatigue, and makes exercise more difficult, both physically and mentally. Adequate rehydration has been shown to prevent such things from happening. It even reduces the pressure to consume more oxygen that occurs during intense exercise, because muscles are about 80% water. So, if you exercise vigorously and tend to sweat, staying hydrated can help you get the most out of your workout. 47. Drinking enough water increases energy and brain function. So, if you exercise vigorously and tend to sweat, staying hydrated can help you get the most out of your workout. Studies show that even mild dehydration, 1 to 3% of body weight, can reduce many brain functions. You may feel low mood, decreased concentration, memory. Headaches are more frequent. Fatigue and anxiety also increase. Under normal conditions, without heat, without exercise, the body also loses an unrecognized amount of water. This water is lost through breathing, skin, urine, and feces. So, you need to replenish water regularly regardless of whether you are sitting in an air-conditioned room. With the elderly and children, they will be more sensitive to dehydration. Mood swings and memory impairment have been noted in this age group even with mild dehydration. 48. Benefits of water. Regulates body temperature. One of the benefits of water is regulating body temperature. When exercising a lot, the body increases metabolic activities, creating a large amount of heat. Or when in a hot environment, your body needs to be cooled by sweating to cool the body. The main component of sweat is water. But if you sweat too much or when you are dehydrated, the body will adjust itself to reduce the number of tears. Without cooling, your body temperature rises, causing you to go into heat stroke, also known as sunstroke. You feel a lot of headaches, tinnitus, dizziness, and the whole body is hot. In severe cases, fainting or even death can occur. Therefore, when working in a high-temperature environment, the body sweats a lot. You should regularly drink water, even when you are not thirsty. Filtered water is good enough, but it's better to drink electrolyte-fortified drinks. For example, juice, water with salt. Because in sweat lost, in addition to water, there is salt also necessary for the body. 49. Drinking more water can help relieve constipation. Constipation is a common problem, characterized by difficulty passing stools or stools becoming hard. Drinking plenty of water, eating plenty of soup, or adding extra fluids is a recommendation first when treating. There is a lot of evidence to support this. Low water intake is a clear risk factor for constipation in the elderly and children. 49. Drinking water can help treat kidney stones. Urinary stones are crystalline masses that form in the urinary tract, which stretches from the kidney to the bladder. If anyone has ever had an obstructed kidney stone, they will never forget the pain of renal colic. For people with small urinary stones, the first advice of doctors is to drink lots of water. This is also easy to understand. Drinking a lot of water increases the volume of urine that is filtered by the kidneys. A lot of water can wash part or all the stone out of the urinary tract, limiting the accumulation of forming or increasing the size of stones. 50. Eliminate waste and toxins. The body eliminates excess, toxic substances through sweat, urine, and feces. Water is the main component of sweat and urine. Water also has a certain amount in the stool to prevent constipation. The large intestine also has a role in absorption, so if the stool has not come out of the anus at that time, the toxins are still able to be reabsorbed and enter the bloodstream. Many toxins, either foreign or produced by the body, are eliminated through the urine. Drinking lots of water makes the body get rid of toxins faster. 51. Water helps prevent the unpleasant feeling of drinking alcohol. After drinking a large amount of alcohol or beer, you will feel thirsty, tired, headache, dry mouth. It's not the effects of alcohol, it's the consequences of drinking. The alcohol in wine and beer is a diuretic. So, when drinking, the body will excrete a lot of urine. If you don't rehydrate, your body will become dehydrated. The best way to minimize these symptoms is to drink extra water between drinks or beer. And drink more before you go to bed. In the morning you will not feel uncomfortable from the consequences of the previous fun. 52. Water helps with digestion. In saliva is secreted to lubricate, moisten, and partially digest food. Make you feel better. For people who are sick, when saliva secretion is reduced, they often feel that they do not eat well. For them, all flavors are pale like snail juice. Not only that, but saliva also helps protect teeth and prevent tooth decay. Help your teeth be strong, ready to chew, eat all the delicious dishes in the world. And you should also know that water is the main component of saliva, in addition to other enzymes and electrolytes. Our bodies normally produce just the right amount of saliva on a regular basis. However, salivary secretion may decrease due to age or certain medications. At that time, you should try drinking more water before seeing your doctor if your symptoms do not improve. 53. To keep your skin youthful, hydrate your skin. To keep the skin smooth, in addition to adding nutrients directly to the face, drinking enough water will help keep your skin healthy from within. They also promote the production of collagen, a component that makes the skin elastic, involved in wound healing. However, in addition to drinking water, you should use more sunscreen to protect your skin from aging optimally. 54. You can lose weight by drinking lots of water. That's right, one of the benefits of water is weight loss. That's because drinking lots of water adds to feelings of fullness and speeds up metabolism. Some studies show that every 0.5 liter of water consumed increases metabolism by 24 to 30%. This means drinking 2 liters of water per day will help you burn 96 calories per day. If you do not understand the meaning of this number 96, just compare it with 30 minutes of walking, 20 minutes of yoga, 7 minutes of continuous dancing. It's normal if you're a hard worker. But for those who are lazy, these parameters are useful, right? The timing of drinking water is also very important. Drinking water 30 minutes before eating is best. It helps you stimulate the digestive glands to secrete secretions in preparation for meals. And more importantly, drinking water can make you fuller, so you eat fewer calories. Thank you and subscribe to follow next video.